starting from KNERA 105 to SK Constructions Kalur Kadavandra Road. To the right you can see Akshaya Center Katel Road. Now we are entering to LFC Road. We are taking a left turn here, which leads to Kalur. To the right you can see Vismay Novelty Clothings. Previous it was V-Guard Industries office, and they have shifted to Vennala. To the left we can see a 24 hours emergency service, a hospital named as Velkasa Medicity. This is a new hospital. And to the left there is a road named as Pudhiya Road, which goes straight to that Madhurumi junction. Again to the right you can see one famous driving school named as Shaji's Motor Driving School. Here to the right there is another road. It's a pocket road actually. It can be reached to the Manapatipuram junction. The road name is Kaipalli Road. When traffic block is there, we usually take that right road. Now we are reaching another junction. To the right it again goes to SRM Road, Manapatipuram and all. And to the left it goes to ACS School, Greets Public School, and again to that Deshabhimani Karagapalli Road, or you can reach to Madhurumi also. And to the left is the Pavakulam Temple, which is a famous one here. And to the left there is a women's hostel which is run by RSS. To the left you can see SBI ATM and bank and all. Now we are in the main traffic signal junction Kalur. Now we got the traffic signal, but the duration is limited, so we will try whether we can cross the road on time. Yeah, it's traffic light against, so we have to stop. Now we got the signal. From here you can see a board which shows that SK Designs on the top of a building. It's a subdivision of SK Group, for which they are undertaking interior works. It's an interior division. So now we are about to reach SK Builders office, SK Constructions, all office located in same place. The building name is Sri Muruga Building. This is the building, and you can see there is a Takkolam restaurant also. This is a part of SK. So today I am just stopping the vlog. Have a great day.